Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show how to create a WhatsApp group. To create a WhatsApp group, go ahead and open the WhatsApp mobile application. At the top right corner of your screen, you're going to see the three dots with more options. Click on this and you'll see the option for a new group. Tap on new group and on the next page you'll be requested to add group members. You can go ahead and scroll through your contact to find group members you want to add to the group, or you can click on the search button at the top right corner of your screen. Search for the group members you want to add to the group and tap on the group members that is going to be added in this section so that you can add multiple group members. You can also add a group member by number by clicking on the keypad at the top right corner of your screen. Then you can add the mobile number of your group member. Once you've selected your group participant, click on the green button at the bottom of your screen to next. And here you'll be requested to add a group name for your new group. Enable disappearing message if you want the message to disappear after a period of time. You can tap on this and then you have several options. You can choose between 24 hours, 7 days, 90 days. And finally, under the disappearing message is the group permission. You can set the group permission, which gives you access to either allow group members to edit the group settings, send messages. If you do not want them to send message, you can turn this off. Give them access to add other members and or approve new members. Once you made all the necessary specification, click on the check mark at the bottom of your screen and this will start creating your new group. And with that, you have successfully created your WhatsApp group. You can always manage your WhatsApp group by clicking on the group name at the top, and then you can add a group member and do other adjustments. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to create a WhatsApp group, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe to this channel and have its post notification turned on. I hope to see you guys in my next video.